the fastest in the universe is the light. Children, light travels 3 lakhs kilometers per second. Just imagine, approximately 3 lakhs kilometers per second, which mathematically mean light travels 7.5 times around the earth in just 1 second. 7.5 times around the earth in just 1 second. Imagine that. The fastest in the universe is light. Saying so, we will enter into 9th problem of the AP, which says that if the third and the 9th term of an AP are 4 and minus 8. If the third and the 9th terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP, is 0? Understand properly. If the third and the 9th terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, what does it mean? The third and the 9th terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively means third term is 4, 9th term is minus 8. Okay, so what is given verbally? Mathematically, I have written here the third term is 4, which actually means a plus 2d is equals to 4, and the 9th term is minus 8. 9th term a plus 8d. A9 is equals to a plus 8d is equals to minus 8. Did you understand, children? Once again, see the data properly. If the third and the 9th term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, means third term A3 is equals to a plus 2d, which is nothing but 4, and the 9th term A9, 9th term is A9 means a plus 8d is equals to minus 8. So this is the data collected from this problem. Now, which term of this AP is 0? Which term of this AP is 0? We do not know. Maybe first term or second term, not the third term, because third term is given. Maybe fourth term or fifth term or sixth term or seventh term. Which term we do not know. So we say that let nth term of the AP be 0. We will presume that nth term of the AP be 0, so that written here an is equals to 0. Why an is equals to 0 is written? We do not know. It is asked here which term of this particular AP is 0. We do not know. So we will assume that let the nth term of this AP be 0. What is nth term formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. So what we have done, a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 0 we have assumed. Okay. Let's see which term of this AP becomes 0. Which term of this becomes 0 is also means for what value of n, an becomes 0. For what value of n, an becomes 0. So here our attempt is to find the value of n. Understand, children? Now see that what are the given? Third term and 9th term. Third term and 9th term is given. As usual, we are eliminating A to get the value of D. How? By this simultaneous linear equation elimination method. Subtract 1 from 2. Subtract 1 from 2. So I have taken 2 first and subtracting 1 from 2. As usual, change the sign. Plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus in that way. Here a plus a is there, written minus. Here plus 2d is there, I will like minus 2d, and plus 4 becomes minus 4. Now a minus a 8d minus 2d is equals to minus 8 minus 4. Understand, children? Once again, a minus a gets cancelled up. 8d plus 8d minus 2d is 6d, minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12. We have got 6d is equals to minus 12. Now divide both sides by 6. When you divide both sides by 6, see here, I have divided both the side by 6. Then 6 gets cancelled up. 6 2 times. 6 2 times is 12, and we have the value of D. D is equals to minus 2. We got the value D is equals to minus 2. Once we get the value of D, then we are going to substitute the value of D with either equation 1 or 2. That is left to you. I am substituting the value of D here with equation number 1. What is equation number 1? A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equals to 4, and A plus 2D, D value we have got here. So I am substituting here minus 2. 2 minus 2 becomes 4 here, that is C. A plus 2D is equals to 4. A plus 2 into minus 2 is equals to 4. A plus into minus 2 times 4 is equals to 4. Now add plus 4 both the side to eliminate this minus 4. Now here in the next step it is added. A minus 4 was there, for which it is added minus 4 both the side. Minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 gets cancelled up. What is remaining is A. 4 plus 4 is A. Now we have got the value of B as well as the value of A. Once we get the value of A and D, now it's very easy that whatever the number we can find. Now what we have to find is which term of an AP is 0. So we have assumed nth term of an AP is 0. Nth term is nothing but A plus n minus 1 into D. So which I am taking here, A plus n minus 1 into D, which is nothing but 0. Understand? Now substitute values like A and D in this equation. A is equals to 8 plus n minus 1. Keep as it is, we do not know value of n. D you substitute. Now you can see that A plus n minus 1 times D. D is nothing but minus 2. This minus 2 multiplied with this n minus 1. Keep 8 as it is. Now minus 2 into plus n is minus 2n. Minus into minus plus 1 2 times 2 is equals to 0. Understand, children? Now you can see that 8 and 2 are the constant. Add 8 plus 2 is 10, minus 2 kept as it is. Now we don't want 10, so minus 10 you add on the both the side, so that you get minus 2n plus 10. Minus 10 added both sides. Minus 10 plus 10 gets cancelled up. What is remaining is minus 2n is equals to 0 minus 10 is nothing but minus 10 itself. Okay, we have got minus 2n is equals to minus 10. Now what we do is divide both the side by minus 2, so that minus 2 gets cancelled up. Minus gets cancelled up. 2 5 times 10. Thus we have got here n is equals to 5. Once we get n is equals to 5, it is confirmed that fifth term of this AP is 0. So we have got value after substituting 0 here. You know that we have got n is equals to 5. N is equals to 5 we have got means what? Means fifth term of AP is 0. So in this particular problem, which term of AP is 0? Fifth term of an AP is 0. Now we will see justification. According to definition, you know very well that what is the definition of AP says, in a set of number there should be the constant between the consecutive number. Constant between consecutive number. What is that constant between consecutive number? It is nothing but when you take the difference, that means the difference between two consecutive number should be constant. Or it also says that if you add a constant to the preceding number, you will get the succeeding number. If you keep on adding the constant to the preceding number, you will get the subsequent number. That forms an AP. Now, A we have got here. A is nothing but 8. How you get the next term, next subsequent term, how you get? By adding D. A and D, if we have, then n number of AP numbers we can form. Understand, children? So now we have got A. A is nothing but 8. How you get the next number? Add minus 2. When you add minus 2, 8 minus 2 is nothing but 6. Understand? How you get the next number? This is first number. Second, first term. So you got the second term by adding common difference to the first term. Now how you get the third term? Add common difference to the second term. You will get 6 minus 2 is. How you get the fourth term? Add common difference to the third term. You will get 4 minus 2 is. How you get the fifth term? Add common difference to the fourth term. So 2 minus 2. Did you understand, children? So thereby you will come to know first term, second term, third term, fourth term and fifth term becomes 0. By justification also we will come to know that the fifth term is 0. What will be the sixth term? Add common difference to fifth term. That becomes 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Next term minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. Like this. So now again you come to this question. If the third term and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and 8. What is third term? Third term is 4. We'll verify. 1, 2, 3. What is the third term given? Third term is 4. This is given. On justification also they have got third term is 4. So what is the ninth term? Ninth term of an AP is minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ninth term of an AP you have got minus 8. So which term of an AP is 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth term of an AP is 0. Did you understand, children? So if you have any doubt, post your doubts so that in the next video we clarify all your doubts. Thank you, children.